Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Uyi Stewart. I am the Chief Scientist of IBM Research Africa. So you may ask yourself, what does a company like IBM stand to gain or do here? Let me just take 2 minutes to explain what has happened, the big change that has happened at IBM. We used to be a computer company. However, we've sold our computer business to Lenovo. We now push what we call a smarter product. Now, this change is not trivial. We have transitioned from the development of IT to the IT
and research and with USAID, et cetera, because if the ecosystem is not an ecosystem, if you've got many, many individual components and the connections are not happening and the growth is not going together. So I don't know if that's, but
yes.
just, you have like a minute to basically just talk about that and say
absolutely. I was going to say that. So the answer to the second question is easier.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
Oh, great.
So I'm already working with USAID. But let's take the first one, and I can spend 30 seconds on that.
Okay.
Right? And I've heard it repeatedly since yesterday. This idea of scalability, right? So we tell the entrepreneurs, you've got to think scale. But we assume that it's easy and trivial to scale. Let us step back and look at the continent of Africa. You've got to have at least a four-pronged approach before you can have an integrated platform. And this goes along geographic lines. West Africa is unique. East Africa is unique. South Africa is unique. North Africa. You need cohesiveness on this regional level, create these sub-hubs of platform, and then unite all. That's
Thank you. I think on the second, ICANN actually is quite open because ICANN's remit is quite, very well focused. It's about coordinating what we call the critical resources of the internet, meaning the servers and then the domain name and the rest. So I do believe everyone uses this platform, if you don't know about it, right? So definitely we are really up to a partnership. And by the way, we do have our global meetings, and then all the business is there, the governments are there. So there is no point to that. Reflect on this Demo Africa, because I came here for a few reasons, and also I think Harry wanted me also to kind of say what is my feedback, because I really spent 2 days which are very fantastic. I have seen things happening. 2 or 3 weeks ago, I was in an African ministerial meeting, ICT ministerial meeting in Addis Ababa. Right. We spoke, big policies. They were there. But here I'm seeing concrete things. Things that are actually, the takeaways is simple. Community matters. Meaning, it's not about transforming the whole globe or 1 billion people. It's about community. It's about solving local issues with local solutions. That's something which I believe in it. So definitely, I really think that definitely